The bell has rung on one of the most explosive sessions of 2026. The ASX 200 surged 2.24% to close at 8,671.8 points. We didn't just hold the 8,500 level, we blew right through it. Speculation that President Trump is ready to de-escalate the Iran conflict acted as a massive short squeeze. While the headlines are optimistic, the internals show a market desperately trying to price in a soft landing that isn't guaranteed yet. I'm Jay, and here's the breakdown of today's massive move. Growth was the undisputed king today. Following the Nasdaq's lead, Life 360 and Pro Medicus raced higher, but the real fireworks were in the risk-on recovery plays. Arafura Rare Earths and Eagers Automotive were among the top gainers as traders bet that lower fuel costs might jumpstart the consumer. Even Drone Shield, which usually thrives on fear, held its ground at $3.81, up 5.3% for the month as it begins manufacturing in the EU. When rare earths and retailers rally together, you know the market is in a buy-the-dip frenzy. It wasn't all green today. We saw some capital desperation as Dateline Resources plunged despite banking $50 million for its Coliseum project. Perun Energy and Pexo were also notable laggards. In a market this volatile, investors are ruthless with companies asking for cash or those stuck in the old energy narrative. The rotation is moving fast, out of the logistical bottlenecks and into the companies that can scale in a post-conflict recovery. On the home front, the 26.3-cent fuel excise cut is officially live. If you filled up today, you saw the relief at the Bowser, but the market is looking at the fine print. National Cabinet has kept the country at Level 2 fuel security. The government is underwriting additional fuel cargoes and releasing 762 million liters from strategic reserves just to keep regional areas moving. The excise cut helps the consumer, but the supply chain is still on life support. If the Iran peace talks fail, a 26-cent tax cut won't stop the rationing. My fresh view? Today was a risk-on masterclass, but the fundamentals haven't actually changed. We are rallying on a 10-day extension, not a signed treaty. The fact that Northern Star hit $22.10 while the index surged nearly 2% is a massive red flag. Usually, gold fades when the market rallies. The fact it didn't tells me this smart money is still using this bounce to load up on bunkers. Enjoy the green screen, but keep your stop losses tight. We are still 5 days away from the Iran deadline. The taco trade delivered today, and the ASX is back in the 8,600s. But with a fuel crisis at home and a war clock ticking abroad, this is no time to sleep. Follow Oz Stock Watch for the data that actually moves the needle. I'm Jay, enjoy the cheaper petrol while it lasts, and trade smart, Australia.